Hello everyone, this is Gabriel coming to you with an unboxing of a Spigen rugged armor case for the Apple Watch. This is the 42 millimeter. They make it for the 38 millimeter if you want to buy that one instead if you have that watch. And it works with the Series 3 and the Series 2 and the Series 1 Apple Watch, so they will work perfectly with all watches. And this is what the box looks like. There's some artwork of the watch, and here's a sticker that shows what the case looks like on the watch, and here's some information about the case. And the back has some information on where there are media sites that you can go check them out on. And on the side of the box it's orange and it has the words "something you want." So this is what it is, and let's get into the boxing. Okay, so this is what's in the box. Let's take it out, throw that away. So this is the case for the Apple Watch. This is the cutout where you put your Apple Watch in. And on the side, there's a cutout for your digital crown. There's a button right here that looks metal, but it's plastic, for your button on your Apple Watch. Here's a cutout for your straps, so you can replace your straps if you want to put different straps on. Here's some cutouts for your speakers and your mic and for getting water out. And on the side, here's another cutout for your straps. And on the bottom, if you can see that, it's a big cutout for your heart rate monitor, so you can charge your device even with your case still on, so you never have to take your case off if you don't want to. So this is what it looks like. It's a hard, kind of soft plastic case. And I really like this case. But the only problem with this case is when I bought this, I thought this was going to have a screen protector for my watch, but it doesn't. Because I found out about this case on a YouTube video, and they were showing that it had screen protectors. But this one did not come with a screen protector, so I might be returning this. And if I return it, I'll let you know in another video. If I don't, I'll be buying a screen protector separately, and I'll do a review on that screen protector on another video. So I hope you like this video. If you want to buy this case, even if it doesn't have a screen protector, I'll put a link below where you can buy this case. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Please click the bell button so you can be notified when I do more videos. And have a great day.